What up YouTube, my name is Jack Truong, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Discord server, and we're starting right now. So the fastest way I think to show you guys how to create a Discord server is just to do it myself. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to log into my account, and we're going to go from there. Okay, I'm logged in, right? Just getting ready. So this is what Discord look like when you log in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move my camera down here. Then this is all the servers I'm in right now, and I just made this account probably like a month ago. I'm just getting there. So on the left side there's a plus right here on the left, say add server. Click on the add server, and you either want to create a server or join a server. So in this video I want to show you how to create a server. You click on this blue icon, this blue button right here. Click on that. Just name your server. So for this one, I'll put Discord server. But you can name it whatever you want. Then you have the option to change your icon. So for this purpose, I'm gonna go ahead and upload a Discord picture. And I like that. Click apply. Hit create. Alright, I'm not inviting anyone. So that's basically it, how to create a Discord server. Right now you have text, but you can add more stuff as you want. You just right click it and add all the stuff you wanted to. And if you want to share it, I believe there's a share button right here. Click on that. Then you share whatever. Alright, so you can have a personal link if you would like. All you do is whatever category you want to share your this server with, you just click on the create invite. Click on that, and if you want to get the link, all you do is go to the bottom right with the blue highlighted. Click on that. Click for a specific link, like if you want to put your Discord server in your YouTube, hit never. Max number, no limit, and just generate new link. And you just copy that link, and I'll show you the link right here. So that's pretty much the link right there. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and do my best to answer, or hopefully someone else watching the video can answer your question. Thank you for watching. My name is Jack Truong. Hopefully I see you guys in the next one. Peace out.